If you're struggling to build a consistent language learning routine, then I completely understand because I was there too. Back in 2020, I had no real structure when I was studying languages, and that made it so difficult for me to actually maintain a consistent learning routine. Fast forward to 2022, I've made a lot of progress in my languages, and now in 2023, I have a consistent language learning routine to the point where even if I'm not actively studying a language, I'm always learning something. There is this thing I used to live by back in 2021, le petit pas tous les jours ça dessineront, which is the little steps each day add up. Instead of always just studying languages in huge chunks, I try to incorporate different language techniques into my daily life. Some things I do would be to change languages in my devices to the language I'm studying currently or the language I want to make the most improvement in. And I use the languages that I'm learning to do things in my life. So if I'm writing stuff, I'd write it in my target language. If I need to get something done, I do the same thing. If I'm watching a movie, watching a video, listening to music, I incorporate my languages in my life in this way. You also need to be very self-aware when you're learning languages, because in order to make progress, you have to know exactly what you're doing wrong and what you need to improve in. For example, I'm learning French and I realize I have a very hard time to read articles. Then when I'm studying it again actively, one thing I'm going to focus on is being able to read articles, learn the vocabulary from those articles, and find exercises or websites online I can use to help me improve in that area. If you want a way to organize your language learning routine and track your goals and your progress, then you can check out the free language study template I've created. I've been using it for almost a month now, and it has really made a difference in my language learning routine. It's very easy to keep track of the things I want to do and keep track of my goals as well. So I would definitely recommend you trying it as well.